there, I'm Rob Martinson, CTO at nLIGHT. I'm here with Michael Hepp. We're here to share details about our new solution, Cirrus, a data analytics solution designed to help mitigate downtime. The example I like to use is the repair engine light on your car. Imagine if your laser could give you detailed information and alert you to problems before they occur. This is the motivation for Cirrus, and now Michael is going to explain how Cirrus works.
Thanks, Rob. Since the beginning, customer experience has been at the core of our product development. We designed our lasers with an open, modular architecture, allowing them to be serviced in the field quickly while significantly reducing your cost of ownership. We hope to elevate your customer experience with Cirrus by providing critical maintenance information at your fingertips. Cirrus targets unplanned downtime, one of the major pain points of any industrial operation. We can transform the maintenance model of fiber lasers from a reactive model to a predictive one using revolutionary data analytic techniques. Let me explain. When fiber lasers were introduced onto the market, they were much lower maintenance than the CO2 and YAG systems they were replacing. This led to a reactive model for maintenance for these systems. However, the reactive maintenance model can still leave users with undesired, unplanned downtime. Waiting on service engineers to arrive, waiting on components can lead to lost opportunities for your business. So the example that we give here is you have machine health, and over a period of time, the system has a failure occur, then the service event takes place, and now that counts as unplanned downtime. Of course, there are other maintenance models, such as preventative maintenance, that have also been introduced. However, those can lead to repairs being completed too early in the system, or waiting too long and still having the unplanned downtime. This is why we have introduced Cirrus. Using sensors built into our fiber lasers, we have developed a predictive model to identify components that have moved outside of their design thresholds and can repair them at a convenient time when the machine isn't planned for operation. This will eliminate unplanned downtime due to a failed laser. In this case, we have the notification occurring that some of the sensors have moved outside of their normal operation, and we can improve that without having any downtime. This all sounds very interesting, but how exactly does it work? At nLIGHT, we developed a simple application that lives on the onboard computer of the machine tool. The role of this application is to run scheduled downloads directly from the laser through an Ethernet cable onto the computer, and then upload them into the nLIGHT cloud. We then take this information and identify sensors operating outside of their intended function and repair those components using the knowledge of data analytics. This application works seamlessly with no interruptions to any ongoing operations. All of this work takes place without you having to do anything. Once the issue has been detected, the system will notify the appropriate service personnel, and the work can be scheduled quickly and easily. Most of our repairs can be completed within 2 hours. By knowing which components are in need of repair, we think we can improve this even further. All of this is designed to keep you up and running and more profitable.
Thanks, Michael, for that introduction. At nLIGHT, we focus on developing solutions that are revolutionizing metal processing. Cirrus offers an entirely new platform that eliminates downtime and increases profitability. Thank you for taking this time to learn about Cirrus.